Hey, how you doing? My name is Eric from Blue Collar Prep, and I'm going to show you guys how to achieve the Chevron style mustache using the Wahl trimmer. So the first thing you want to do is make sure you wash and dry your face. Next, you're going to take your Wahl styling comb and comb all your hair down. You want to make sure that your trimmer is fully charged and that your blades are oiled each time you use it. So now that your face is cleaned and your trimmers are prepped, you're going to start trimming down your cheeks and your chin, leaving your mustache untouched. So now onto your mustache. You're going to use a Wahl trimmer with no attachment. You're going to make a strong diagonal line starting at your nose, going about 1/4 inch past the corner of your mouth. So for each step of the mustache, I like to comb my hair down again. So now you want to comb your mustache down using a styling comb, and you really want to trim all the long hairs across the top of your lip. You want to make sure the mustache is either even with your lip or hanging just below. So once you're all done, use a dab of the Wahl Beard Balm to help hold and shape your freshly trimmed stash. So this is my take on the Chevron mustache. Hope you guys like.